Hello, in front of me I've got Sony Xperia 10 Mark III. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Pay. Firstly, enter Google Pay app. Tap button in the bottom of the screen and focus on loyalty, gift card and public transport. Enter loyalty, select shop, for example Decathlon Group Poland, scan your card or enter details manually, then tap save. Go back. And now let's select gift card, which is pretty similar to loyalty card. Enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap save. Now let's select public transport. If you are able to find your public transport, select it. You'll be probably redirected to website where you have to finish the inside form. And that's it. All of your cards will appear at the bottom of the screen in this app. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.